dad whether if he's on the speed limit or not. So when the speed limit changes, I'll always yell, "Dad, the speed limit is 65. Well, now it's 75. And while I'm at it, I also keep track of the speed meter in the car and the speed limit on the road. But today something clicked in my mind. So I asked my dad, "Dad, everybody sees these different vehicles on the road, like trucks, cars, vans, motorcycles, and RVs. So do these vehicles have all the same speed limit?" And my dad says, yes, they do. This is where my non-academic mind kicks in. How about the government installs different speed limits based on each vehicle? Because a car is much smaller than a truck, because a truck is more bigger and deadlier than a car. The same thing goes for other vehicles too. And if you haven't guessed, this is the perspective building workshop specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought just by monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. And if I can get my unique thought just by looking at the speed limit, I'm sure you can too. Bye, and thank you for watching.